Watching a possible bearish reversal or bear flag breakdown here on futures, you'll see it's at all-time highs, got a big run up above to create new highs above the 6,500 level, 6,502, and you see lower highs being formed on this 1 minute. So I'm watching to see if it kind of rejects right off the 64.92-ish level, and then I'm going to use this kind of 64.88-ish level as support. So I might take a possible short position here on futures, just watching this bear flag form. So I'm watching these 1 minute candlesticks, see what happens on the 1 minute, and then watching the 5 minute form. So I'm going to watch the 5 minute candlestick, see how that forms. And if so, I might again take a short down, looking at 64.88 and down the kind of this right around this 200 EMA on a 1 minute. So I'm going to watch these candlesticks closely, see how they form. And if it can form a bear flag and fail, I might take a short down here towards the 64.88-ish level. All right, so a new 5 minute candle is about to form, possibly bear flagging here at the moment, kind of watching the support level. Going to see if it rejects up at this 200 SMA on the 500 tick. So which is right around that 64.92-ish level, which is below that 20 EMA on a 1 minute. So I'm kind of watching this candle here, seeing if it fails. So I'm going to watch this 1 minute candle form. It might be a possible head and shoulders on a 1 minute. So
Order
I'm going to take a
filled.
short there. And so I took a short entry, and I'm going to use, the 64.9250-ish as a stop level if price closes above it. So, and I'm looking down at this 64.88-ish as support. So I took a short. I'm going to use this kind of, again, 64.92 as a stop, looking down here 64.88-ish and see what happens if price will fall down to that level. All right, currently it's kind of starting to fall down there, and watching right around down, like I think I said, the 64.88-ish level.
Order filled.
So I took a little scalp down. So it got to bounce right down at that 64.88-ish level. So wanted to go down a little bit further, but so it was a good one. Got to bounce up here. So I'm still getting used to this Apex platform, and typically I'm more of a bullish guy and go long, but I'm practicing some of my shorting here on Apex, and plus I got to run to an appointment. So that trade, hey, was a little bit over a point move, so 59.40. So just trying something a little different here. Again, getting used to Apex. So that was a nice, little 1 point drop, and practicing a different strategy. Like I said, I'm mostly a bull flag breakout kind of guy, but since the market's really overextended at all-time highs, again, it's still bullish overall. I had this head and shoulders pattern, kind of shorted it down to the neckline, see what happened. Again, it bounced right above that 200 EMA on a 1 minute. So it was a tiny little scalp down. Get a little victory today, 59.40, 1 point move.